To disable Windows Defender on Windows 11, first navigate to the Start menu on the taskbar and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Proceed to tap on Settings, and then with this selected, on the left panel you have tons of navigation menus. Proceed to tap on Privacy and Security. Then under Privacy and Security, continue to tap on Windows Security, and this is where the magic will happen. Make sure to tap on Virus and Threat Protection. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then scroll down under Virus and Threat Protection settings. You will see Manage Settings. So make sure you tap on this, and then we are going to toggle off all these options here. So I'm going to toggle off the real-time protection, and then when I scroll up again, I'm going to toggle off delivered protection, and I'm going to do it to each and every one here. The automatic sample submission, and then the tamper protection. So once I'm done with everything here, I'm going to navigate back to this interface. Then I'm going to scroll up again, and under ransomware protection, I'm going to proceed to tap on the Manage Ransomware Protection, and make sure the control folder access is also toggled off. And that's it. You have successfully disabled Windows Defender on your Windows 11. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.